Welcome back to my channel. What is flaxseed, and why is it called a miracle seed for hair? Flaxseed is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, protein, and antioxidants. These nutrients repair damage from inside, nourish the scalp, and give your hair a smooth, shiny, and frizz-free look. Just like an expensive keratin treatment, but naturally and safely at home. Recipe 1. Flaxseed Infused Oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons flax seeds, roasted and crushed, 2 tablespoons pumpkin seeds, roasted and crushed, 1 cup coconut oil. Method: add roasted flax seeds and pumpkin seeds into a glass jar. Pour in coconut oil, close the jar, and keep it in sunlight for 1 week. After 7 days, strain and store the oil. Benefits: strengthens roots, stimulates new hair growth, prevents breakage, and adds shine. Recipe 2. Flaxseed Gel Mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons flax seeds, 3 to 4 okra pieces, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 3 glasses water, 6 to 7 drops rosemary essential oil. Method: add flax seeds, okra, and fenugreek seeds into water. Boil until it forms a gel. Strain and cool. Add rosemary oil and mix well. Benefits: repairs scalp issues, controls dandruff, stops hair fall, and promotes silky smooth hair. Recipe 3. Flaxseed Creamy Mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon flaxseed gel, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon castor oil, water, as needed. Method: cook rice flour with water on low flame until it forms a thick paste. Add flaxseed gel, coconut oil, and castor oil. Blend into a creamy mask. Benefits: deep conditions hair, makes it thicker, repairs split ends, and adds a glossy keratin-like finish. Bonus: supersedes morning spoon, for hair growth from inside. Ingredients: flax seeds 2 tablespoons, pumpkin seeds 2 tablespoons, sunflower seeds 2 tablespoons, sesame seeds 2 tablespoons, melon seeds 2 tablespoons. Method: dry roast all seeds on low flame. Store in an airtight jar. Every morning, take 1 teaspoon on an empty stomach. Benefits: this power spoon is a game changer. It provides protein, zinc, vitamin E, healthy fats, and biotin that nourish hair from within, making it stronger, thicker, and shinier naturally. These secret flaxseed remedies and the powerful morning spoon will completely change your hair life. Try them at home and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget, beauty begins with consistency. Thank you for watching.